What's up guys? Today just wanted to talk to you about this 8-inch Henckels knife. I've been using this for about the last 3 years or so, and it works incredibly well. I live and work out of my converted van, so having a knife that kind of tackles everything and you don't have to double up on with other knives is incredibly important to me. And this really is like your go-to knife for everything. The blade is incredibly sharp. Like I said, I've been using this for a few years now. I've never sharpened it, and it still has a razor sharp edge. I can cut anything from meat to vegetables to, pretty much anything, and it works well. The other thing I like about it is it's very well balanced between the handle and the actual blade itself. There is almost like a perfect balance. It just kind of sits right in your hand like that. Fantastic. You know, if you like a well-balanced knife for kind of chopping into things, it works great. And finally, the handle, super easy to clean. I really appreciate that because, like I said, living out of this van, you want things to be easy and simple and pretty straightforward. And this is incredibly easy to clean and just a really well-made knife. I could not be happier with it. If you're looking for kind of just a go-to, get it all done knife, I would highly recommend this. It's been working out great for me.
As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.